to be the best. It's what we all strive for. But for a select group of factory authorized dealers, the best is only the baseline. Every day, these dealers are exceeding expectations, raising the bar on business growth, achieving new levels of customer satisfaction, and elevating the entire Carrier brand. Where others see obstacles, they see opportunities. They're inspired by greatness and driven to excel. And they use that success to inspire others. The winners of the Carrier President's Award don't just meet their performance goals, they crush them. Day after day, week after week, month after month. Because for them, it's not a career, it's a calling.